This is the Shropshire Bookfest reading portal, which is a website, a web app, in fact, designed for Shropshire Bookfest, which is a local charity to me, which helps children's literacy through fostering love of reading. I have made this app in order to find books, add them to a virtual bookshelf, locate books for your next read by searching or selecting by mood, and also discussing your books via reviews. So the first thing I implemented was a register page and a login page. So if I log in via this made-up email, then we can see that we now have a profile page accessible to us. What this page allows us to do is to see the reviews that we've written on the books and which books we have read. So I've set up some data. The books page, meanwhile, is the second thing I implemented, which basically allows you to see and click and toggle which books you've read and not read. There's also a way of selecting the genres that you'd like to see, or the moods, and the moods are toggleable as the genres are with this click down menu. I've also implemented a reviews page where you can write a review or indeed edit your review. So I've now logged in as myself, so I'm an admin, so I have access to this manage page. But before I show you that, I'm going to just search for a book. For example, if I search for Inkbound, you'll see that I get two books, Grim Stink and Inkbound, because both of them contain ink. And that's because I used a database query with the word like in it. And also you'll see that the things toggle not instantly, but take a couple of milliseconds to toggle. So if I type in Matt Goodfellow, it doesn't instantly update the query because I've debounced the search feature. So finally, the manage feature is the last thing I would like to show. So if you click manage, you now are able to, as an admin only, add a new book to the database without heading to the database on the back end. I could also edit the books, and this takes you to a very similar looking page, but it already has the data filled in for each respective book. And finally, each book has its own display page with information about the book, which I've taken from the Bookfest website with permission, and will continue to do so as I go forwards with the project after CS50. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed.